Hello everyone, Department of Bioprinting Technology, Class TY, Semester 5, Subject Digital and Security Printing, Chapter Brief Overview of Digital Printing Technology, and the topic is Digital Printing and Classification of Digital Printing Technology. What is digital printing? Digital printing is the process of printing digital based image directly onto a variety of media substrate. In digital printing technology, various types of printers used for printing. Printer is a device which print text on paper. Printers are designed for low volume and short turnaround print jobs. They are fast, requiring virtual no setup time to achieve a hard copy of a given document. The cost per page is relatively high in digital printing technology. Various types of printers is used in digital technology. A printer is a device which prints text on paper. Many printers are primarily used to computer peripheral and are permanently attached by a printer cable to a computer which serves a document source. Other printers, commonly known as a network printer, have built-in network interface, typically wireless, and can serve as a hard copy device for any users on the network. In addition, many modern printers can directly interface to electronic media such as a memory sticks or memory cards, or to image capture device such as a digital camera scanners. Some printers are combined with scanners or fax machines in a single unit. A printer which is combined with a scanner can easily function as a photocopier. Printers are designed for low volume, short turnaround print job. No setup time to achieve a hard copy of a given document. However, printers are generally slow devices and the cost per page is relatively high. In contrast, the printing press, which serves much the same function, is designed and optimized for high volume print jobs such as newspaper print runs. Printing presses are capable of hundreds of pages per minute or more and have an incremental cost per page which is fraction of that of printers. The printing press remains the machines of choice of high volume professional publishing. However, as printers have improved in quality and performance, many jobs which used to be done by professional print shops are now done by users on local printers. Modern print technology classification. First is a toner based printer. Toner based printers work using the xerographic principle, that is work in most photocopiers by adhering toner to a light sensitive print drum, then using static electricity to transfer the toner to the printing medium to which it fuses with the heat and pressure. The most common types of toner based printer is the laser printer, which uses precision laser to cause adherence. Laser printers are known for high quality prints, good print speed, and a low cost per copy in black and white print. They are the most common printer for many general purpose office applications. They are far less commonly used to consumer printers due to high initial cost. Laser printers are available in both color and monochrome varieties. Another toner based printer is the LED printer, which use an array of LEDs instead of laser to cause toner adhesion to the print drum. Next is the liquid inkjet printers. Inkjet printers spray a very small precious amount of ink onto the media. These droplets of ink will carry a slightly electrical charge. The placement of the ink on the page is then determined by the charge of a cathode and electrode between which the ink moves toward the paper. Inkjet printing are the most common consumer print technology, as high quality inkjet printers are inexpensive to produce. Virtually all modern inkjet printers are color devices, some known as photo printers, include extra pigments to better reproduce the color gamut needed for high quality photographic prints. Inkjet printers consist of nozzles that produce a very small ink bubbles that turns into tiny droplets of ink. The dots form at the size of tiny pixels. Inkjet Tiny pixels inkjet printers can print high quality text and graphics. They are also almost silent in operation. Inkjet printers have a much lower initial cost than do laser printers, but have a much higher cost per copy as the inks need to frequently replace. In addition, consumer printers manufacturers have adopted a business model similar to the employed by manufacturer of razor. The printers themselves are frequently sold below cost and the ink in the sold a high markup. Various legal and technological means are employed to try and force users to only purchase ink from the manufacturers. However, there is a thriving aftermarket of such things are third-party ink cartridge and refill kits. Next is the solid ink printers. Solid ink printers, also known as a phase change printer, are a type of thermal transfer printer. They use solid sticks of CMYK color ink which are melted and fed into a piezo crystal operated print head. The print head spray the ink on a rotating oil coated drum. The paper then passes over the print drum, at which time the image is transferred or transfixed to the page. Solid ink printers are most commonly used as a color office printer and are excellent at printing or transpiration and other non-porous media. Solid ink printers can produce excellent results and operating costs are similar to laser printers. Drawback of the technology include high power consumption and long warm-up times from a cold set. Also, some users complain that the resulting the printer difficult to write on and are difficult to feed through automatic document feeders, but these threats have been significantly reduced in later model. Dye sublimation printer. A dye sublimation printer or a dye sub printer is a printer which employ a printing process that uses heat to transfer dye to medium such as a plastic card, paper or canvas. The process is usually to lay one color at a time using a ribbon that has color panel. Dye sub printers are intended for high quality color applications including color photography and are less well suited for text, while once the high-end print shops, dye sublimation printers are now used as a dedicated consumer photo printers. Inkless printer. Inkless printers use paper with colorless dye crystal embedded between the two outer layer of the paper. When the printer is turned on, heat from the drum cause the crystal to colorize at different rates and become visible. The technology was worked by Zinc Imaging and is now available. Because of the way it prints, the printer can be used small as a business card. The images are waterproof and in fact one product slated for release by Zinc Imaging is digital camera with a printer built into it. Xerox is also working on inkless printer which will use to special reusable paper coated with a few microns of UV light sensitive chemicals. The printers will use to special UV light bar which will be able to write and erase the paper. As of early 2007, this technology is still development and the text on the printed page can only last between 16 to 24 hours before fading. Thank you.